Alright everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another episode here of Fast and Furious TV. I wanted to welcome you guys to the channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. I certainly appreciate it. Today's video, as you can see, we are doing an unboxing of a GoPro Hero 10. Yes, that is a GoPro Hero 10. Alright, so you know on my channel, I do a lot of fishing, obviously, but also do a lot of filming. So it's very important that if you're doing a lot of filming and all that, to have the proper equipment. So I have a GoPro Hero 7, GoPro Hero 8, GoPro Hero 9. Now we got the GoPro Hero 10. And actually, I minus the 9 because the 9 is in a local pond here. And it's been there for like 2 months now. So this is actually the new deal now. The GoPro Hero 10, GoPro Hero 8, and the GoPro Hero 7. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10. And I probably won't upload this video until I actually get some action shots on it while I'm on the water. Then I'll upload the video so you guys can see exactly what I see when I put the camera on. But I'm going to walk you through the box, what's in the box. We'll do that real quick and kind of go from there. So stay tuned. So as you can see, we made it outside to the boat to do the unboxing here. I got my 8 set up here, my GoPro Hero 8. That's what I've been running. I usually run it on this stand, actually, this exact deal. I set it up on this little stand, a little tripod deal, and I get my day going that way. I just want to take a second to show you guys. Look at this, okay? Because I'm not going to do a whole video about it, but look at my skin right there. Look at my arm. Look at my chest right there. Look at my other arm right there. So I just want to stress to everyone the importance of, and just look at my overall skin, guys. I literally went from like Chris Brown to like Barry White, like literally. So I just wanted to just kind of get that out there. The importance of the sunscreen. I put the sunscreen on my face, put the sunscreen on my arms, put the sunscreen on my legs, put sunscreen everywhere. But I had 2 shirts on, a sunproof shirt and just a regular t-shirt. I took the sun shirt off, I took the regular t-shirt off, and I was left with a shirt like this. And I fished like the second half of the day in this shirt. And this is what happened. I did not think to put the sunscreen on that part because I never fished without those shirts. So I didn't put it on. I put it on the parts that was covered up when I had the first deal on. I never did put it on the other parts, and I should have. So that's 100% on me. I did go to the doctor to check on some other things. I had him look at it. She said it's, it's all good. It'll take a little peeling and stuff like that. But I've never actually got sunburn in my life. I've never had that happen. So I'm just getting that out there to everybody. Make sure that you get the proper sunscreen on, man, because it looks horrible. I mean, my arms look horrible. Like, look at my skin. Like, that's me, and that's the rest of me. Like, that's how much my color changed. That's why I said I literally went from like Michael Jackson to this same colors as Mercury. Like, I went from Michael Jackson to Mercury. That's what happened. Okay, so like, don't do that. All right, just make sure you keep your sunscreen on. Everywhere else I'm good. I'm just a little darker, but I'm not like roasted like that. I like burnt the skin off my body. So make sure you guys taking care of yourself if you're out in the water a lot. That's my first time. I've been fishing now for 6 years, never had that happen. So be sure to take care of yourself. I'm going to continue to take care of myself, and I'm going to also remember to take care of my shoulders as well. So all right, back to what we're talking about. GoPro. We got the GoPro Hero 10. We're going to go ahead and pull it out of the box real quick here. I'm going to get you guys set up here while I do this. So here we go. GoPro Hero 10 comes in this little fancy box with these little really, I was told that these are like popular colors that like get people's attention. That's this blue and this red like kind of color. These are colors that get people's attention when you're in a store shopping. Like this, that's what this stuff is made for. So if you guys, and this is way off on another tangent, but if you don't think that stores, big companies, product makers cater products to research done based on what colors get people to come and buy and spend money, yeah, don't mess around. Like they are, it's a system. Like they're locked in on getting the colors that get your brain thinking that you need to buy something. So just pay attention to that. Look that stuff up if you're curious. But anyways, I was gonna buy it no matter what the color was. So but it is pretty cool. So my kid's favorite color is blue. My other kid's favorite color is red. So it's got my attention. Let's put it that way. Comes in this brand new case. It's a fancy little case here. Actually pretty, relatively sturdy. Sorry, can't afford to make a video and then have bug bites all over myself. So comes in this case here, as you can see. Woo-wee, that is pretty. Instrucciones up here, up at the top. I just said that because the instructions sometimes are in Spanish and sometimes they're in English. It's instructions, okay, or instrucciones. I did take Spanish 4, so I do know what I'm talking about. They come in English, French, Dutch, Espanol. Got a lot of options there. Power cord, charging cord. You guys need this. Always need a charging cord. Battery comes with a little mount. another little mount, and then a screw piece here. That's what it comes with in this little case. And I'm probably going to take this little hard shell case out. I don't really like this thing. I just like this part. And just throw everything in there. This is the actual camera itself, GoPro Hero 10. Look at the size of the screen on the back of this thing, man. That is beautiful. I absolutely love that. And you got, of course, the screen on the front, so I can see what I can set up my shots. So I get the camera like this. If I'm behind it, obviously I can see, but most of the time I set it up with my YOLO tech in the back of the boat, and this is facing me. So to make sure that I got myself and everything I want to get in that shot, I need that forward screen back here for what I'm at. If I'm doing a chesty mount deal and I got it up here, obviously I can see what I'm setting up right here. But when I got it like this and it's behind me and it's like my cameraman in the back of the boat, that's what I call this. My YOLO tech stick plus this is like my personal cameraman. So when I have that, I need that forward screen. That's changed my fishing and the way I set up stuff for fishing like 10 times over. It's made it so much better and so much easier to get the right shots that I want and the right content that I'm looking for when I can see what I'm looking for. It is waterproof. I think it's set up to 16 feet, or it can be submersed in water up to 16 feet and still work, which makes me think my other GoPro still works. It was only in like 4 feet, so that sucker should work. Only thing why I don't think it will work is because I have the doors that are open on the side where you have where you can charge them up all day. I have those doors, and since I have those doors, water could just run right in there, and I don't think it's going to stay where you can. And as I open this one up, it does not have the door on the side where I can just do that. It's got a regular door where you got a battery and you got to open it up like that kind of. So it's got this kind of door, so it means I can't charge it all day. I have to get a different door for it, so I'll probably work on that right away, or I will just do it on the tripod mount that I showed you guys earlier. But battery comes with it. I don't think they changed the battery, so you can get a similar kind of battery. If I'm wrong on that, just correct me. Like I said, big screen. It's got this part here where you can just run it on your tripod stand, super easy. It's connected, so you don't have to get another deal to connect it. It's already in there. Man, it looks some kind of good. It looks really good. The colors, as I told you before, the colors got that blue and that red on there. I like it. Features wise, if you film with GoPro and you use GoPros, you know it's got a lot of features. I'll give you what I got off the box. 23 megapixels. It can shoot in 5.3K, 60 frames per second, 4K, 120 frames per second. It says 33 feet for water, so that's not bad. GP2 processor, webcam mode, super photo, time warp, slow-mo, overlays, voice control, live streaming, uploads automatically, and you can get mods for it to make it like your own little setup. So it's got some pretty good features. This, like I said, was an unboxing. I'm not going into too much stuff. It also has this hyper smooth 4.0 stabilization, so you know, guys that ride on them bikes and stuff, or if you're in a bass boat and you're booking it, like it keeps your image like stable. That's what I'm assuming stabilization means. So like I said, I'm going to do this little part of the video here for you guys now, and I'm going to do the next part of it when I set it up and I get some shots on it, because I want you guys to see the quality and what's going on in this video. I've done reviews in the past where I just take the thing out of the box and show you, and that's cool. This one I want to give you guys some real stuff to go on. So I'm going to put everything back in the case here. I'm going to get my chesty mount. I'm going to get this battery charged up, and yeah, and also you need an SD card. So I'm going to take the SD card out of my 8. I'm going to put it up in here. Really don't want to take the screens off. I don't want to take the screens off. I mean, I guess I don't have a choice, but I don't really want to take the screens off because I hate scratching anything. Put the battery in here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it open, get it charged up, and I'll hit the water actually tomorrow. So what I'm looking for now is my chest mount thing, and I'm actually going to see if I can bring it with me tomorrow and get some footage and get this video out to you guys about the 10. A lot of people made videos about this already, so if you got specific questions or want to check specific things, obviously get on that real quick. But as for me, I told you a little bit about it, told you about how I'm gonna use it, and next time y'all see it, it's gonna be hooked up and we're gonna be getting after it. So let me get it charged up and let's get this show on the road. Alright guys, so I had mentioned to you that when I was doing my review of this unboxing of the GoPro, that I wanted to get it out on the water and actually see if I could get some shots during the review. So that's what I'm doing today. Got a little deal tied on here, just something I grabbed real quick out of my box. A couple of my favorite poles, and I'm headed out on the water. So you guys can see what's going on here. Just doing a little bank fishing, which I don't normally do. I haven't done a lot of lately, but I'm trying to bring back because the importance of the bank fishing to me, it was bigger than fishing to me, if that makes sense to you guys. So it was bigger than fishing to me. Fishing was good, but the key part for me in bank fishing was the getting outside, getting active, getting that vitamin D, getting that exercise in. That was the key part to me for bank fishing. So when I stopped bank fishing, and guys, you see I'm always in my boat all the time now, I kind of got away from that. So here I am. Oh, that's a bite. I don't know if he still has it or if he just whacked it. Oh, nope. Just whacked, just dumped it. Dang it. Oh God, that is a big fish. Oh my God, that's a big fish. That is a big fish. That is a big fish. Oh dear God, that's what's chasing everything up there. That is a big fish. I don't know if you guys can see that. Matter of fact, you should be able to see that. Look at that fish right there. Look at that fish right there. I hope y'all can see it. I don't know how to zoom on this thing, but look at that fish right there. He saw my jig. Oh God, I hope he doesn't eat it, because he's big. He's on it. He's on it. He's literally like right beside it. So then there's that. That's all I got today, guys. I just wanted to do a video on the camera, and let's take a look at it, see how it's going. So that's what we got. Let's get it.